Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the universal travel adapter that will be working in 200 plus countries. It has 2 USB-A ports, 3 USB-C ports, and universal socket, 30 watts from ocdun. So as you can see, if you're using USB-C 1 and C2, it'll be, I think it's 15 watts per port. If you're using USB-A, so USB-C, so the total is 30 watts obviously, so it's going to be spread around, depends how you're using it. They don't say exactly, but I guess it's like if you're using C1 and C2, like two USB-C ports, maybe they say in the instructions. So are they labeled like that? Yeah, C1 and C2. So if you're using these two, it will be 15 watts per port, which is quite nice. You can charge fast 2 phones. So 2 pole under what is that? Unearthed devices. So up to 2500 watts. So don't plug in something more than that. Some specifications in there. When you use multi-port, they actually say in there how much is it. Cool. So let's just quickly have a look at it. So on this side, it does say it has a fuse of 10 amp. I think it's 10 amp the fuse. Well, it's nice, he also has a spare fuse as well. So he has a spare fuse in there, and the fuse, which I can't remember how much is the fuse in it. Has to be 10 amps. I'm just assuming. Yeah. So if you travel to Europe, and then you push this back down, push this, that's your UK, and then that's your American. On the back you can see you can plug in different chargers. There's a USB C in here, which that probably does 30 watts. These two ones you'll have 15 and 15, so if you use one or two, that will be 15 only per port. And this one, I think they say 12, so it might be 12 and 12. But yeah, otherwise it's quite small and portable. So yeah, there you have it.